Welcome back to Global Bike Trends. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about motorcycles of the year, the 2025 Honda NSR500V3. Honda has done something bold, reviving one of its most iconic racing legends and reimagining it for the modern era. This isn't just a nostalgic nod to the past, it's a rebirth that merges classic two-stroke thrill with the best of modern performance technology. The original NSR500 dominated MotoGP in its day, and this new NSR500V3 captures that same raw energy while refining it for real-world riding. At its core lies a new generation 499cc V3 two-stroke engine, an evolution of Honda's legendary Grand Prix design. The motor is lighter, cleaner, and electronically managed to meet current emissions standards while still delivering that explosive two-stroke character. Honda has employed direct fuel injection, advanced lubrication management, and a digital exhaust control system to create a perfect balance between power and precision. Early reports indicate power figures north of 150 horsepower, paired with an overall weight of just under 160 kilograms. Those numbers alone tell you this isn't a bike for beginners. It's a machine designed for riders who crave that intense, unfiltered connection between throttle and asphalt. Handling is where Honda's engineering brilliance really shines. The chassis uses a twin-spar aluminum frame, race-spec geometry, and a carbon-reinforced subframe for optimal rigidity. Fully adjustable A-link suspension front and rear ensures precise control in all conditions, while the premium braking setup, a dual 320mm discs with Brembo-style EMA calipers, brings MotoGP-level stopping power. The electronics suite has been fine-tuned for riders who demand flexibility, traction control, launch control, cornering ABS, and multiple ride modes allow you to dial in performance to your exact preference. Despite its high-tech underpinnings, Honda insists the NSR500V3 maintains the analog soul of a two-stroke race bike, rewarding skilled riders who know how to extract every ounce of performance. On the design side, Honda has absolutely nailed the balance between heritage and innovation. The silhouette instantly recalls the original NSR racers, a compact, aggressive, and aerodynamic, but every line and surface has been sculpted for modern efficiency. The fairings feature integrated winglets inspired by Honda's RC213V MotoGP machine, enhancing downforce at high speeds. A single LED headlight gives the front end a razor-sharp look, while the rear tail unit is minimalist and race-ready. The triple exhausts, sweeping out in a distinctive triangular configuration, not only pay homage to the 1990s design but also deliver that unmistakable high-pitched two-stroke wail that enthusiasts have missed for decades. The cockpit feels futuristic yet focused. A full-color TFT display provides telemetry data, lap timers, and even track mapping integration. The riding position is pure race ergonomics, low, tucked, and aggressive, but Honda has added enough comfort in the seat padding and handlebar reach to make short road rides possible. Carbon fiber components are used extensively throughout the bike to keep the weight low and the look premium. Performance tests suggest a 0 to 100 km/h time of around 2.7 seconds, with the top speed exceeding 280 km/h. But it's not just about straight-line power. The NSR500V3 is built to carve corners with precision. The engine's narrow V3 layout centralizes mass, improving agility and stability through high-speed turns. On track, it reportedly feels alive, demanding skill but rewarding precision like few other machines on the market. One of the biggest selling points of the 2025 NSR500V3 is its exclusivity. Honda plans a limited production run, making it as rare as it is thrilling. Each bike will come numbered with a certification of authenticity, and buyers will have access to a dedicated performance tuning and track setup program through select Honda racing centers. This is not a mass-market machine, it's a collector's dream and a rider's ultimate fantasy. As for price, the NSR500V3 is expected to start around $95,000, with special editions possibly exceeding $110,000 depending on market and configuration. That puts it squarely in the realm of high-end performance machines, but for those who understand its heritage and capability, it's more than worth it. The 2025 Honda NSR500V3 represents a rare fusion of past and future. It's a love letter to Honda's racing legacy, crafted for a new generation of riders who crave authenticity, sound, and sensation over digital isolation. Every twist of the throttle is a reminder of what made two-strokes legendary: that instant power hit, the scream of the pipes, and a pure mechanical thrill that few bikes today can replicate. If you're a rider who lives for the sound of a racing engine echoing off canyon walls, this bike isn't just a purchase, it's an experience, a piece of history reborn. Honda has managed to capture lightning in a bottle once again. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Honda NSR500V3. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow riders. This is Global Bike Trends. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and keep your passion for speed alive.